Greetings everyone. Today we will do question number 1 of exercise 6.3, and in this question different figures are given and we need to tell whether the pair of triangles are similar or not. And if they are similar, then also write the similarity criteria. Okay. So let's start with figure number 1. See, in figure number 1, angle A is equal to angle B, both are of 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. It means all the three angles of triangle ABC are equal to other three angles of triangle PQR. So, whether the triangle are similar, you can write yes, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle similarity. And there is no need to write angle, A. Because if in two triangles, the two angles are equal, then third angle is automatically equal. So we write only by A similarity. Okay. So let's come to figure number 2. In figure number 2, see, AB is 2, QR is 4. So 2 2s are 4. AC is 3, PQ is 6. 3 2s are 6. BC is 2.5 and PR is 5. 2.5 2s are 5. It means all the sides of triangle PQR are double of the sides of triangle ABC. Or you can write AB upon QR is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. In the same way, AC upon PQ is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And BC upon PR is 2.5 by 5, that is 1 by 2. So, all the sides of triangle ABC are proportional to the sides of triangle PQR. So, whether the triangle are similar, you can write yes. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle, this is QRP by side. Okay. Now let's come to figure number 3. See, MP is 2, D is 4. 2 2s are 4. LP is 3, DF is 6. 3 2s are 6. But LM is 2.7 and EF is 5. So 2.7 2s are not equal to 5. So the two sides LP and MP are proportional to DF and DE. But LM and EF is not proportional. Okay, so you can write MP upon DE is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. LP upon DF is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. But LM upon EF is 2.7 upon 5 and that is not equal to 1 by 2. So, because their sides are not proportional, so you can say the triangles are not similar. Okay. So, this is our part number 3. Now, let's come to part number 4. Here you can write. See, the two sides are given and the angle between them is given. So now the angle between the two sides is equal 70. But 5 2s are 10. Okay. But 2.5 2s is not 6. Sides are not proportional. Okay. You can write ml upon PQ, that is 5 by 6, and mn upon QR 2.5 by 10, that is 1 by 4. So the sides are not proportional. Okay, the angle between them is equal, but the sides are not proportional, so triangles are not similar. Next, again you can see 3 2s are 6, 1 by 2, 2.5 2s are 5, 1 by 2. The two sides are proportional, but you can see here the two sides are given and the angle between them is given 80. But here the two sides AB and BC are given, but the angle between them is not given. Okay, angle A is given. if we need to similarize the two triangles, then we need the angle between the two sides. So because the angle between the two sides are not equal, so the triangle is not similar. Okay. If instead of angle A, your angle B was given 80 degree, then the two triangles would have been similar. Now in last part, C. Angle DE and D is given, E is given. So first of all, let's find the angle F by angle sum property. 70 plus 80, 150. 180 minus 150, 30 degree. In the same way, let's find angle P. 80 plus 30, 110. 180 minus 110, 70. So you can see angle D is equal to angle P, angle F is equal to angle R, and angle E is equal to angle Q. All the angles of triangle DEF are equal to triangle. All the angles of triangle PQR, so triangles are similar. Yes. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, again by AA similar. So this is the question number 1 of exercise 6.3. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.